now with seemingly daily whiplash. Our closer says this is an Alice in Wonderland market where you don't know which pill the market's going to take each day. That sounds correct to me. Let's bring in Value Engine Capital Management's Chief Equity Strategist, Jordan Kimmel. Jordan, explain what you mean by that.
Well, all you have to do is watch this market for a couple days at a time. And one day, everyone's on one side of the boat saying rates are going to go up, the Fed's going to break the economy, and we're going to new lows. And then the next day, it's all this is baked in. We know this has happened. Watch the technicals of the market. So it's this back and forth. And look, Cheryl, trading is difficult. Investing is hard, but trading is really difficult in this kind of a choppy market. So what I've talked about over and over is a need to have a real discipline. The markets go up most of the time, but when they are not going straight up, that's when you find out who's for real, who's got a process, and who really knows what they're doing.
Do you think,
these
Jordan,
are difficult times.
Do you think that the market's overreacting today to this?
Today, I do, because we knew what Powell's thinking. We know he's saying he's had more work to do. We could have put the words in his mouth yesterday. We should see this coming, but that doesn't mean that he's not for real. And the fact is, rates are going to go higher. This means you need to have a portfolio that fits this market, and companies that have rock solid balance sheets, profit margins. But the bear market will end eventually, but that still means you have to have discipline and quality all the time.
Well, look, one of the things that we saw today, which we haven't seen since 1981, the Treasury yield curve, it widened, the most inverted that we've seen since 1981. Signals recession on a technical basis. This is the most debated telegraph recession I think we've ever had. What's your thought?
It shouldn't be debated. There will be a recession. That's obvious. The fact is, it's not. The question is going to be, is it an 08, 09 type of a recession? And the answer is most probably not. So recessions and expansions, bull markets, bear markets, they're part of the cycle. We will have a recession. You shouldn't deny it, and you should be cautious. You should be protecting yourself. It's risk first, but that doesn't mean you can't be invested either.
So definitely watch out for your risk. And we also heard the phrase today, once again, cash is king. And a lot of people seem to be sitting in cash right now because of days like today when you see all this volatility, because tomorrow, to your point about a new pill, that could change the trajectory. And you know what could really change things? JOLTS report and the jobs report on Friday. Those are going to be very interesting. Jordan Kimmel, thank you very much.